Welcome. In front of me is an Alcatel One X from 2019, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So to get started, choose your language by tapping on a drop down here and selecting your desired language, and from there tap on Start. And then you will be able to insert your SIM card. Now this step is completely optional and you can skip it. It basically changes nothing. The moment you insert a SIM card, it will work basically as intended. And then on the next page you can copy apps and data from your older device, but I'm going to be setting it up as new, so that's what I'm going to choose here. And on the next page we got the connect to Wi-Fi. Now again, this step is optional, so if you don't have any kind of Wi-Fi near you, you can completely skip it, and the only thing that you will miss out on is the ability to log into Google account throughout the setup process, which you can still do after the setup is complete just through settings. We have date and time. So it looks like it's incorrect, but the moment I would connect to a network it will be fixed. But if I want to do it myself, I can just disable it right here, change the time zone to a correct one. There we go, that's the correct time zone, +2. And that actually makes the time correct. Okay, so let's tap on next, and from here we can choose the name. Now this will be the name of the device, which will also set the name of your hotspot once you enable it, and also the Bluetooth. So whenever you try to connect your device via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, whatever it will be showing whatever you insert here. If you choose to leave this empty, it will just take a name of the device, so it will be something along the lines of Alcatel One X, or for instance Alcatel 5008Y. So it just depends how the manufacturer decided to name it. Then we have protect your phone, so just a way for you to set up a pattern, PIN, password, whatever you want. So I'm gonna go and set up a pattern just for this, and secure startup. This is associated with the protection, so it will basically force you to put your pattern, PIN, password before the device fully boots up, and once it boots up you need to insert it again. So I'm just gonna select that I don't want it because it seems redundant. From there we can insert our protection, confirm it, and there we go. We can also add a face unlock, but I'm just gonna choose to skip this for now. And Google services, so we have things like help apps find location, help improve location accuracy, and send user and diagnostic data. Now again, read what each one of them does exactly, and if you don't like it, simply disable it, and then tap more and accept at the bottom. Anything else? Nope. And we should be right about done with the setup, so finish, and there we go. Or not yet. Finish, there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.